Hi friends. So now UPSC Civil Preliminary GS Paper 1 Part 2. Okay. Question. What is the question? Is that consider the following statements. Statement 1: the atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation. Statement 2 is that carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are good absorbers of long wave radiation. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Okay, so both statement 1 and 2 and etc. So this is one. Then come to 33 question is that okay, pyroclastic debris, ash. Second one is ash and dust, and third one is that nitrogen compounds. Fourth one is sulfur compounds, etc. So how many of the above are products of volcanic eruptions? So these are the volcanic eruptions. Okay. So next, come to the next question is which of the following is are correct inferences from isothermal maps in the month of January. The isothermal deviate to the north. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so the isotherms deviate to the north over the ocean and to the south over the continent. Second one is the presence of cold ocean currents, Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift make the North Atlantic Ocean colder and the isotherms bend towards the north. Okay, so this is the question. Come to next question is the 35th. Which of the following countries are well known as the two largest cocoa producers in the world? There is Algeria and Morocco. B is the Botswana and Namibia. C is the Cote d'Ivoire and Ghana. And D is the Madagascar and Mozambique, etc. Okay, then come to next question is that 36. With reference to the Himalayan rivers joining the Ganga downstreams of Prayagraj from west to east, which one of the following west to east? There is Ghagra, Gomati, Gandak and Kosi. B is Gomati, Gandhara, Gandak and Kosi. C is Gandhara, Gomati, Kosi and Gandak and Gomati, Ghagra, Kosi and Gandak, etc. Then come to the 37th question is that statement 1 rainfall is one of the reasons for weathering of rocks. Okay, statement 2 is that rainwater contains carbon dioxide in solution. So statement 3 is that rainwater contains atmospheric oxygen. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? So that is the statement 2 and 3 are correct, and both of them explain statement 1 and both B is both statement 2 and 3 are correct, but only one of them explains the statement 1, etc. Okay, then come to the next question is that consider the following information: waterfall, region, river. Okay, Dhunadhar waterfall, that is the region is the Malwa and river is the Narmada, and Hondru waterfall, that is the Chotanagpur and Subarnarekha river, and Jarasopa is the Western Ghats, and Netravati is the Nile. Consider the following statements regarding region: Central Asia, name of the mountain range, that is Vosges, and the type of mountain, Fold Mountain. Then region Europe and Alps and Block Mountain, and North America Appalachians and Fold Mountain. Okay, South America Andes, that is Fold Mountain. Okay, and how many of the above rows is given information correctly matched? Okay, so this is the next question. And come to next question: the organisms. Okay, cicada and froghopper and pond scatter or birds, fish, insects, reptiles, etc. 42 is consider the following statements. Many chewing gums found in the market are considered a source of environmental pollution. Statement 2 is many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. Okay, which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Both A, etc. Then 43 is consider the following pairs: Brazil, Indonesia, and Madagascar. Okay, animal found in its natural habitat, there is Indri, elk, and bonado, etc. Which are the common. Then come to 44 is consider the following statements regarding World Toilet Organization. It is one of the agencies of the United Nations. World Toilet Summit, World Toilet Summit, World Toilet Day, and World Toilet College are the initiatives of this organization to inspire action to tackle the global sanitation crisis. Third one is that the main focus of its function is to grant funds to the least developed countries and developing countries to achieve the end of open defecation, etc. Then 45th question is considered the foreign states lions do not have a particular breeding season. Okay. Unlike most other baby cats, cheetahs do not roar. Oh, okay. And third one is that unlike male lions, male leopards do not proclaim their territory by scent marketing. Okay. So this is the next question. Then come to the next question is which one of the following is the correct description of 100 million farmers? It is a platform for accelerating the transition towards food and water systems that are net zero, nature positive, and that aims to increase farmer resilience. It is an international alliance and a network of individuals and farming organizations interested in supporting and strengthening the development of the organic animal husbandry. See, it is a digital platform fully integrated with service providers and built on blockchain that lets buyers, sellers, and third parties trade fertilizers quickly and securely. It is a platform with the mission of encouraging the farmers to form farmer product organizations or agri-business consortia, thus facilitating the access to global open markets to sell their products, etc. Then 49 is that which one of the following shows a unique relationship with an insect that has co-evolved with it, and that is the only insect that can pollinate this tree, that is fig and mahua and sandalwood and silk cotton, etc. Then 49 is considered the following butterflies, fish, frogs. How many of the above have poisonous species among them? What are that? Poisonous species: butterflies, fish, and frogs. Okay. Consider the following: cashew, papaya, and red sandals. How many of the above trees are actually native to India? Actually native to India. Okay, papaya. Okay, nice. Then question number 51 is that there is instability and worsening security situation in the Sahel region. There have been military takeovers for cops did in several countries of the Sahel region in the recent past. Okay, so that is the question. Statement 1 is in India does not import apples from the United States of America. Statement 2 is in India, the law prohibits the import of genetically modified food without the approval of the competent authority. Yes, of course, this is also one of the right answer. With reference to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, consider the following statements. Okay, while any resolution for the removal of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is under consideration, he or shall not preside. He or she shall not have the right to speak. He or she shall not be entitled to vote on the resolution in the first instance. 54 is with reference to Indian Parliament. Consider the following statements. A bill pending in the Lok Sabha lapses on its resolution. Second is a bill passed by the Lok Sabha and pending in the Rajya Sabha lapses on the dissolution of the Lok Sabha. A bill in regard to which the President of India notified his or her intention to summon the houses to a joint sitting lapses on the dissolution of the Lok Sabha, etc. Okay, so this is the question. And now come to the next question is that, okay, with reference to Parliament of India, consider the following statements. Okay, prorogation of a house with the President of India does not require the advice of the Council of Ministers. Okay, prorogation of a house is generally done after the house is adjourned sine but there is no bar to the President of India. Okay, prorogating the house which is in session. And third one is the dissolution of the Lok Sabha is done by the President of India, who, save in exceptional circumstances, does so on the advice of the Council of Ministers. 56 is that consider the following statements. So statement 1, European Parliament approved the Net Zero Industry Act recently. Statement 2 is the European Union intends to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050 and 2040 and therefore aims to develop all of its own clean technology by that time. Okay, then come to next question is that the 57. Recently, Venezuela has achieved a rapid recovery from its economic crisis and succeeded in preventing its people from fleeing or emigrating to other countries. Statement 2 is that Venezuela has the world's largest oil reserves. Which of the following statements is correct? 58 is with reference to the Digital India Land Records Modernization Program. Consider the following statements. To implement the scheme, the central government provides 100% funding. Under the scheme, cadastral maps are digitized, and third, the initiative has been undertaken to translate the boxes.